Hi everyone, my name is Kailaka and I'm from Tadika Alpha Blue. Today I was sharing with you about aliens. Did you know that if aliens exist, they might not look like us at all. Some have many eyes, different shapes, or even glow in the dark. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now let me show how I built my models. Now I'm starting with